Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how you can use Apollo IO, a lead generation tutorial for beginners using Apollo IO. If you don't have any Apollo IO account, just scroll down to this video and click on the first link. Then you will head over to this Apollo page and you can sign up for free. After signing up, you will navigate to this dashboard of Apollo IO. There are tons of features of Apollo. On people, you can see there are lots of leads here, 289 million leads here. Those leads are very high quality leads, and there you can also add sequences directly from here. You can send cold emails from these Apollo apps. You don't need a third party. Most people use instantly for sending cold emails, but you can directly send mails from here, and there are more features here, but Apollo is famous for this lead generation. So let's see how you can filter the leads. So now we have 289 million leads here, but let's assume we need some leads. As a web developer, we are going to sell service to a specific industry. So let's assume we are finding plumbers in United States. They would be our customer and we will send cold email to them. So let's filter down with our niche. So there are lots of options to filter it out. We cannot send millions of emails, so let's narrow it down. First of all, you can select the list if you already have a list. Then we have email status. So just choose these two status. Those emails are likely to engage and the verified emails. So we have 95 millions. Next, job title. You can choose the job titles from here. So we put some job titles here. Next, we have company. If you want to find specific leads from a company, then you can choose it here. If you need specific persons from Google, Amazon, or any recognizable companies that are listed, you can also search those companies here. So we don't have any company now. So let's next, location. From here you need to choose a location. So let's choose the United States. Next is employees. Let's start with the small business 1 to 10. So next, keyword and industry. In the industry, we'll choose plumbing. If the industry is not matching to your terms, you can input some keywords here. So I put plumbing here on the keywords. It's narrowed down to 2.4k leads. You can also narrow down by filtering more options. There are more options here. You can also choose the revenue of these companies. You can also check the fundings. So we are not going to more narrow down this. We just select these 2.4k leads and start working with these leads. To select all, just click here and select all the leads and then apply. So all 2343 leads are selected. From here you can directly email them, add them to your sequence, create a new sequence, and you can add this list for your future preference. And you can also directly export these leads and upload to your third-party cold email provider or process with other CRMs to send emails to those leads and to process these leads further. So this is how you can use Apollo to generate high quality leads and send cold emails to those leads. As a web developer, you can reach out the potential leads to directly sell your web designing service. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.